Hi, I'm Chef Julie Hernandez-Roberts and welcome to Gaucho Grills. Whether you like watching football or you like watching football, these chicken wings are for you. These are crispy chicken wings and 3 sauces. First step of this is to steam your chicken wings. We're gonna be cooking outside, it's the winter, we really don't wanna be out there too long. It's gonna take us forever to get those wings cooked through. So you steam them for about 10 minutes, and while they're in there, we're gonna prepare our 3 sauces, and then we're gonna take them out to the grill. So let's get started with our sauces. Over here, we have an amazing Cuban Mojo. It's garlic, it's onion, lemon, and oil. You just put it all together in a pan and let it simmer for a little bit till all the flavors meld. Next, we're gonna bring the heat with mango habanero sauce. Mango nectar, honey, and some habanero chili sauce all mixed together and cooked down till it's nice and syrupy. It's really gonna coat those wings and give you that heat that you're looking for. And finally, we're gonna do a take on a traditional buffalo sauce, using ingredients that are a little bit different. We're gonna start with melted butter. I just melt this in the microwave, nothing major. Then, I want you to get some sort of like imported hot sauce, like a Mexican hot sauce. I'm gonna use about a half a cup. I'm gonna whisk that into our butter, mixing that into the butter, trying to really get the butter and the hot sauce to incorporate with each other so they don't separate. Okay, so these sauces are normally a bit vinaigrette, but we really wanna kick up the acid with a little bit of lime. So we want maybe 2 tablespoons of lime juice in there, if you could get it out of your lime, if it wants to cooperate. And like you could see, the butter and the hot sauce have totally incorporated with each other. I'm gonna clean this all up. We're gonna get our chicken wings, dress them a little bit, and then we're gonna get them out on the grill. Our chicken is ready, so we're gonna go ahead, whew, look at all that steam. We're gonna go ahead and get them on our sheet tray. Spread them out. This is about 2 pounds of chicken wings right here. Serve about 2 people in my house. All right, we're gonna drizzle canola oil on it. Again, you wanna use a high smoke point oil, canola, vegetable oil, something like that. We're just gonna toss them with the oil, some salt and pepper. Now let's get to grilling. Ooh, okay guys, we're back in from the cold outside and the grill, but our chicken wings look amazing. So we're gonna toss them in all our different sauces and then set them up, and then we're gonna have a wing fiesta. First off, we have our amazing Mexican buffalo sauce made with Mexican hot sauce and butter and lime juice. Get them ready on our plate. Next, let's use our mango habanero sauce. Again, this is mango, habanero hot sauce, and honey. Look how glazy and syrupy wonderful that is. Last but not least, there you go. My absolute favorite, the Cuban Mojo. Oh my goodness. So guys, you have crispy grilled chicken wings with that unbelievable char that's gonna drive everybody crazy. Crispy chicken wings and 3 sauces.